I'm going to describe a dish I cook all the time. It's called chicken jalfrezi. It's made of chicken, chopped tomatoes, onion, garlic, green chili, and some Indian herbs and spices. To make this dish, first I chop the onions, garlic, and green chili. Next, I fry them in a pan with the Indian spices. Then I add the chopped tomatoes and simmer everything for about 20 minutes. Finally, I add cooked chicken and chopped coriander leaves and simmer for another 10 minutes. When the dish is ready, I usually serve it with a basmati rice or naan bread. I think this dish is very easy to make. But if you want to make it the traditional way, it takes more time and it's a bit more complicated. Personally, I don't have much time for cooking, so I make it the quick way.